Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. Today, I'll show you how to use Sage Math. So this is a powerful software application used for solving mathematics problems, graphing equations, and performing computations. So if you want a tool that can help with algebra, calculus, statistics, and programming, Sage Math is definitely worth learning. So quick question. Well, have you ever spent so much time solving a problems and wondered if your answer was correct? Well, SageMath can help you check solutions and solve problems faster. First thing first, go to your Google and search for sagemath.com. Then search. So there you go. This is the SageMath. Then select what this one role. Then after that, you need to sign up. You sign up using your Gmail. And you can create password. Then sign up. There you go. This is now the SageMath. So this is the SageMath. This is the profile. This is the setting. Right here you can see that one, and this is that one that you can see that one, the key, the settings again, then the projects. So this is the messages, the mentions, and the news. So that's all. Thank you.